welcome to our channel. Make sure that you like and subscribe. What are we doing today?
Eating Japanese candy.
Whoop whoop. We are trying different Japanese snacks, and we have the Sakura box. So we are gonna try it. What do you think is gonna be in here?
I know.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, let's open it.
Okay. Why do you have a knife?
So I can open it.
Oh. I thought you were supposed to use scissors.
Well, I didn't know what the scissors were. Whoa, it says from Osaka, Japan.
Ooh, sour candy.
Look, and look, it comes with a chart, so it tells you what each one is. Okay.
Let's see. I want to try this one.
Well, we gotta take them all out first, so we gotta show the camera.
Hey.
Show the camera so everybody can see.
Toy. Hey, why is there a toy in here? I want to see if it's candy. Is it?
I don't know.
Let's try, kids.
Oh look, you've drank these before.
Oh yeah, I love those.
Okay, so which one are?
I want to open this.
Okay, let me see.
I want to see if it's candy. I'm gonna bite it. They have steak on it.
Goodness. Looks like it's just a little toy hedgehog.
I'm gonna eat it and see. You're right. It's a hedgehog. Toy. Ooh.
Okay, so what are we trying first?
Let's see. Ooh, what's that? What's that?
You want to try that first? Hold on, let me look for it. Let me look for the picture so we can figure out what it is.
Is it that one?
It looks like it, yeah. It is called Seki Mochi. Okay, let's try it.
Did I have the first try?
Yeah, you peel off a bite and then let me peel off a bite.
What this peel off me?
Or like like rip a piece for me, a piece for you.
Yeah.
Let me see. Is it good? It's very sticky. It's very sticky.
Yeah, it tastes like bubble gum. Yeah. Yeah.
I don't like that one.
Me either.
Okay. Which one should we try next?
I want to try this one.
That is... It is Moon Rock chocolate.
Ooh, Moon Rock chocolate.
Mm-hmm.
Did it come from the moon?
I don't know. Let me try one. Oops. Uh-oh.
That's okay. There's a lot more.
Okay.
I like it.
Tastes like chocolate.
Here. Take some.
Okay.
What is this?
Are we trying that one next, or you want to try one out the box?
I don't know what that is. Are these noodles?
I don't know. It looks like chips of some sort.
What are these?
It looks like Japanese Kit Kat.
This?
Yep. Let's see. It says...
There's two. Yep. Here. Try it.
Okay.
Okay, mine's just now.
Sure.
Mine
This
is.
one, ooh, this one is a strawberry Kit Kat.
What is this one?
Yours is matcha.
What's matcha?
It's kind of like an herb. People normally like to drink it in tea or coffee.
Would I like this?
I'm not really sure. Here, I'll break it in half and you could try half of my strawberry and I try half of the matcha.
I
No?
want it.
Okay.
I want to eat my own. No.
Don't like it? The strawberry is pretty good.
Ah. I like that one, not this one.
Okay. Here. Well, let me try this one. Not bad.
Next time I'll try this.
What is that?
This is a Japanese apple sour candy.
Did you just make that up?
No, it is. See, because it's apple.
Okay.
I'll try the first bite. Can you help me? It's too greasy from the
Do
Kit
you
Kat.
want to get you a paper towel?
No. Oh, to spit it out? No,
don't-
with a paper towel.
No, so you can wipe your hands. Oh, do you not like it? Oh.
No. The one that I don't like.
Oh yeah, you can spit it out if you like.
With a paper towel just
We'll be right back after these messages.
that.
A few moments later.
Let's see. Squishy. No.
Who knows?
I want to eat this.
Okay.
What is it?
It says
Is it slime?
it's soda flavored candy.
Okay.
Need help?
I think this is Coke.
You think so?
Yeah.
I think you just. Oh.
Oh.
Okay, so I think you just pop it in your mouth. If it's supposed to be soda flavored. No? What does it taste like?
Just like regular candy. What is this?
Can I pick one next for us to try?
What's that? Is that gummy bubble?
I don't know.
Let's try it.
Hold on, it's my turn.
Hey, we pick our
Ew,
choices.
what's that?
I don't know. Ew. Guys, look at that. Ugh. What is it?
I don't know.
No one wants to eat that. Is that a stingray?
I don't know what that is.
We pick our choices.
Okay,
That's
I'm gonna
your
pick,
turn?
yeah. No, we're gonna try this one together.
Okay. This is my choice.
Okay.
So I just don't have to pick. Oh, we never tried this one.
Wait, it's an ice cream cone, but how do you make it? Oh.
Are you supposed to make it?
Yeah.
But it's up.
I'm supposed to mix it with water?
I just see mine.
Yeah, we'll do this one later.
Yeah.
You need help?
Yes, please.
You got it, dude.
What is that?
I think you don't chew it. I think you open up this top and you drink whatever is inside. Here. Oh, be careful.
It's a drink.
What does it taste like?
I'll taste anything.
Okay, let me see what it is. I hope that's like. I hope that's not like one of those packages that they put in things and they tell you do not eat. Oh my god, that would be terrible. Okay, let's look. Let me make sure Child Protective Services isn't gonna come knocking on my door.
Wait, no, I think
Oh,
I
okay,
just
look, it's right here. It's a bottle of powdered sherbet like that melts in your mouth. You have the lemon one. That's supposed to be lemon. Maybe you're supposed to put a little bit more in so you can taste the lemon. You're supposed to put a whole lot in. Tastes like lemon? I should try it? Okay.
Don't bite it. You have to sit.
Oh yeah, it dissolves in your tongue. That's cool.
Here.
Okay. Let's do...
I'm gonna cut you a little bit.
Yeah, go ahead.
What is that?
Looks like some type of bread. Chocolate? I don't know. Looks like a brownie.
A brown key. What's a brown key?
I have no idea. Well, we're definitely not going to be able to eat all of these tonight, so we should probably pick 2 more to try. I want to do this one. I think this one's sour. We should do this one.
That one and
Okay. I think this one's sour, so we're both going to try it at the same time. We're going to put it in our mouth at the same time. One. Oh, you chew it.
It's gum.
Oh. It wasn't very sour though.
You know, if you chew it a long time, it's kind of sour. I'm gonna put this in the gum.
Go ahead. Okay. Let's do one more. It's this one, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, no. Oh. Stop.
Uh-oh. Okay, these are a type of cracker. You have to take your gum out so you can taste it.
Yeah. Yeah. It tastes like regular cracker.
Okay, so out of the ones we tried so far, which one do you think is your favorite?
Like the sourest?
Yeah. Yeah, which one do you like better?
The gum.
The gum was your favorite out of everything?
Oh, some of them were good, some of them were bad.
I think I like the strawberry Kit Kat. I thought that one was pretty good.
I like the moon wrap chocolate candy.
That one was your favorite? What do you think? You think we should have Daddy try some of these with us next time? Which one do you think that he's gonna like?
This one.
Which one? We don't even know what that is.
If he tries that one, I think he's gonna like it.
Okay. All right. So a question. If you get a chance to go to Japan, what's the first thing that you want to do?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. That's okay. What's the first thing you want to do?
Get candy.
Get candy? I think I want to eat sushi. I think it'd be really good. Why are you hitting the button? You're turning your mic off.
Oh, look. It's off now?
Yeah.
No, it's on?
Yeah. Stop hitting the button.
Is it on now?
I don't know.
Okay.
All right. Is there anything that you want to say to the people?
Subscribe.
Like and subscribe. And thanks for hanging out with us and trying candy. What should we try next? What other snacks from other countries should we try? We'll leave it to the people to decide. All right. Well, goodbye and see you next time.
Bye.